Welcome back to Teachers Who Drink. We are headed to a soccer game in Defiance, Ohio, so of course I had to see if there were any breweries in the area, and I found Forked Crick Brewery. The actual brewery is just a production facility, but right next door at The Crick, you can enjoy all their beers on tap and a whole lot more. The Crick is part of a bigger entertainment complex called The Compound, and it's kind of a one-stop hangout spot. They've got duckpin bowling, arcade games, golf simulators, and a full bar with food. It's kind of a place where you'd bring a group and spend the evening playing games, sipping craft beers, let your kids kind of run around and play. It's definitely got that mix of brewery meets rec center energy, with sort of a weird spaceship space theme. I don't know. In the same area, there's also like a full golf course, as well as other restaurants. Anyway, I tried a bunch of tasters, mostly IPAs, and one hilariously named Shandy called Take Me to Your Squeezer. It was a little fruity, so it was, kind of crossed into that seltzer territory, but still it was good. We also shared some pretty good apps, basically all cheese-based. At this point in my life, I'm pretty much composed of like a third cheese and a third Diet Coke, and I don't know what the rest is. It's science. Oh, I almost forgot. I don't know if it happens all the time, but this is a great place if you have a Jeep. I got Jeeped 6 times. A sextuplet Jeeping. Ducking? I don't know. Whatever you call it. Sextuplet kind of sounds naughty. Anyway, the soccer field was pretty terrible, and I didn't love driving all the way to Defiance to get there, but honestly, I'd make the trip back just to hang out at the Crick and explore more of their lineup. Thanks again for listening. Hey, cheers.